Hello everybody, so self once again. I'm going to do the Belladonna once again. It's possibly not quite clear for all of you, so we'll speak a little bit clearer if it's possible. Okay, Belladonna, the picture of the Belladonna sickness or Belladonna problems is the irritation of or paralysis in the later stages of the sickness. It is mainly in the brain, the vegetative nervous system, or maybe hyperamy. It also has the congestion to the head, the vasomotoric center, the medulla oblongata. Constriction of the arteries, carotid arteries pulsate, veins and arterial system is also damaged. We also have pulsation or headache, or pulsating headache in the forehead region. We also have dizziness. We have unable to sleep, even though one is tired. We have the feeling of falling, also while one is laying down. We are sensible to noise, we are oversensible to noise, we are oversensible to touch, we are oversensible to light. Our sensory perceptions is rather too sensible. We can feel, we can hear, we can smell, we can touch, everything is oversensible. We also may have a delirium, or we have cramps in the entire body or parts of the body. There could be a head rolling. Also at night or in the day, if we are trying to sleep or we are having problems or we are feeling unwell, there will be a pushing of the head into the pillow. That is one of the symptoms that also occurs to it, or belongs to it, I should say. Neuralgia. Neuralgia is an oversensibility of the nerves. That way, when we touch or just feel just a little bit, we will feel that the nerves are oversensible. The arms and the legs will twitch. We may possibly have also stomach cramps, bladder cramps, and also throat, vagus, paralysis, or cramps as well. The throat will be dry and red. Stomach region, we also have possible vomiting, cramps, or we also have diarrhea or gastritis, appendicitis. Could also have problems there in this region. We also have joint problems, joint rheumatoid arthritis is also a part of it. It will also address these regions as well, because in most of the rheumatoid arthritis or rheumatoid problems, we also have an infection. Infections with pus of the mammary glands, mucous membranes, liver, spleen, kidneys, skin, or any type of the glands. It is also very good for fevers. Now, fevers usually and mainly come out of the system or part of the system, part of the healing factor of the body, of the system itself, is due to any type of infection. Now, please look at those. Belladonna is very good in small portions. We only take drops, maybe 7 to 15 drops maximum, depending on the potency of the medicine itself. It is very good for fever. It will bring the fever down relatively fast. It will bring it down to your normal level in a very short period of time. However, we should not overdo it. We only use it in the time of the fever. Once we see that the fever is actually coming down, we will stop using it. And we will address any type of infections with other minerals. And other minerals will come into it, such as sodium chloride, iron phosphate, potassium chloride. They all belong to the system of infections. So please look into it. Look into the factor of Belladonna. If you have any types of questions, you can always ask. You can always write to me. No problem. I'll give you answers. But look at the Belladona picture and the sicknesses that can be formed from it or can be healed with it. Please look at it. Belladona grows mainly in areas that already have such as grasslands, or maybe on the sidewalks. Please look into it. Take care. Look after yourselves. Any questions? Let me know.